Welcome back, guys. OMG, we are back to school. So if you're like me, you kind of struggle a little bit with the mom guilt. You're excited that they're going back to school, but you almost feel guilty because you're excited that they're going back to school, right? Well, today here on Posh Yourself, we are going to talk about mom survival as we go into back to school. So, number one, I love that we're on a schedule again, right? For me, I'm an early bird anyways, but let me give you a few tips and some items that you will fall in love with from Perfectly Posh to help you keep or just survive these first few weeks of back to school. So number one, if you have a hard time getting up in the morning, getting up out of bed, you grab your cup of coffee, you jump in the shower, I want to recommend Where You've Been All My Life. This is an amazing bar soap, chocked full of hydration from our palm oil, but caffeine. It's got a caffeine kick and just wakes you up in the morning. So if you're a coffee junkie and you need a little kickstart in the morning, grab Where You Been All My Life. This will kick you off to get the kids out of bed. But you can always choose to have your coffee with cream or without cream. Isn't that so funny? Our fresh creamy milk is one of our thickest body butters. It's shea butter based. It's absolutely amazing and hydrating. Whether it's you or your kiddos, this body butter will soothe any kind of irritation on your skin, will hydrate your skin, and leave it smelling fresh. No flowers. Anybody, men or little kids, men, women, any of you will love the fragrance of fresh creamy milk. It's super fresh, super clean. Also, for you morning ladies and gents that just don't handle a late night out and an early morning up to get those kids to school, let me recommend Impish Eyes. Now, I love Impish Eyes. It's a serum based, helps the puffiness and dark circles underneath the eyes. I love it because everything in my life has to be fast and easy. And all I have to do with this amazing cool roller ball is roll it underneath my eyes where I typically have dark circles, pat it in, and if I choose to put on any makeup before I run to the bus stop, it soaks in easily and makes my face, my eyes look brighter, reducing the dark circles and puffiness. Plus, it's got an amazing CoQ10 in it. Helps with wrinkles. We know the kids cause those, right? Nothing else but kids cause wrinkles. Lastly, I'm going to show you 3 amazing sticks from our Skin Stick line. These are a must-have for back to school. This morning, I used the Purifier. This is a tea tree oil essential oil stick that is pourable and easy to use. My daughter, Jersey, for some reason, anytime life is in her classroom, it gravitates towards her. So what we do now is put that hair up and daily use our Purifier tea tree oil essential oil stick along the nape of her neck, behind her ears, and she carries it with her in her bag in case she feels like she needs to reapply later. This is an amazing back to school product, along with Perk, which is amazing peppermint oil stick. Great for waking you up, great for those headaches at the end of the day when you're running those kids every different sport and activity. This Perk is a purse must have. You can apply it to your temples, across your forehead, behind your neck. If you love the smell of peppermint, place it underneath your nose. This stick will help with headaches. It will help keep you more alert if you're feeling like you're falling asleep. I love this. So many great uses. Those are just a few of those back to school ones that I feel that are important to mention. Now, the healer, just like the purifier, is a must-have in the Ague household because the healer, purifier, I'm still on purifier. The healer has been with Perfectly Posh since the day it started. This is shea butter based stick. It will take care of anything that ails your skin. Kids come home with a scrape, irritation, eczema, chapped lips, chapped cheeks, anything that ails your stick. Slather on the portable healer stick and you will get comfort right away. Now, of course, we talk a lot about back to school, how we can get into the routine, how we can make this easy on everybody. Make sure as a mom that you add something to your Perfectly Posh cart that is going to pamper you in those few minutes of your life when you stop at a stoplight, drop the kids off at school, drop them off at sports practice, that you can take a few minutes and just take care of you. My way of doing that is with our Big Fat Yummy hand creams. All I have to do, pop a little on my hands. It is non-greasy, so I can even do this while I'm driving. Not recommended. Rub it in. It will soften. It will hydrate. It will make you feel so amazing. And it only takes that a little drop in about 2 seconds of your life. So if you're ready to take control of the craziness that seems to be coming alongside back to school, let me help you. Let's get you where you've been all my life, with cream or without. Let's get you an impish eye to give you that nice, bright, I don't need sleep, put together mom look. The 3 sticks, purifier, perk, and healer, which are all mommy must-haves. And finally, your choice of a Big Fat Yummy hand cream, because you need a few minutes in your life where you can sit back and say, I deserve this. So comment below if you have questions. Let me know how your back to school is going, and I sure hope to catch you here on the blog next week.